Introducing the Trvlr Tag, the luggage tag that will completely change the way you travel, merging the most sophisticated Apple Find My tracking technology with a classic design to create a new era in luggage tracking, so you'll have peace of mind no matter your destination. The Trvlr Tag is currently available in 3 elegant shades, black, brown, and stone grey. Today, we'll be unboxing and walking you through the setup of the black version. Upon opening the box, the first thing you'll see is our Trvlr luggage tag wrapped in premium vegan leather. Each tag comes with personalized contact cards, allowing you to further personalize your gear. Also included in your box is a user manual, 2 spare contact cards, and a USB-C to Pogo charging cable. Now let's take a closer look at the Trvlr Tag itself. The Trvlr Tag's distinctive design appears to be a classic travel tag on the outside, yet houses modern tracking technology on the inside. Lifting the hidden flap on the front, you'll find the power button situated in the top left corner. Press it once to activate your tag. Upon clicking, you'll hear a single sound, signaling that your tag is successfully powered on. Unlike normal luggage tags, what makes the Trvlr Tag so unique is that it's equipped with Apple's official Find My tracking technology. Pairing your Trvlr Tag with an Apple device is seamless. Start by launching the Find My app on your iPhone. Once you've opened it, navigate to the Items tab, then select Add New Item. You'll then have to choose Other Supported Item to begin searching for your tag. When your tag appears, tap Connect. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to name your tag and link it to your Apple ID, completing the pairing process. After successfully pairing your devices with the Trvlr Tag, you can track your luggage globally, ensuring you stay connected to your belongings no matter your travel destination. Plus, if you're struggling to find your belongings, simply activate the built-in audio locator feature from your tag. This sound will guide you directly to the location of your luggage, making it a breeze to find, even in any crowded environment. Recharging the tag is extremely easy. Unlike many other tracking devices, this tag features a built-in rechargeable battery. To begin charging, simply connect the Pogo cable to the charging port located next to the power button. The LED indicator located next to the charging port will light up to signal charging. A full battery can last up to 6 months, which means you'll only have to charge your tag a maximum of 2 times a year, but generally it'll last much longer while it's powered off. And that's the complete rundown on the Trvlr Tag, an essential for all frequent travelers, minimizing stress and ensuring you always know where your luggage is located. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our customer care team via our help center. We'll see you in the next one.